child. She is going away. She's going away. And the God's plans to say this. And the God's heartless to say this. Not a child, not a child. She's running away.
You have to leave. Have I not told you to stop coming to see me?
Please hear me out.
I do not want to hear you out. I do not want to have a word with you. Just leave. See, my mother will soon be back and she will not be happy to see you in this house.
I'm not going anywhere until you hear me out.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, you can have a seat.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to now?
Enter your car and leave this place. Now! Now!
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find the trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you, come.
You again.
Nima. I love that girl. I love her courage. She's fearless. And that's my kind of woman. Yes.
My prince, over my dead body. My prince, I can see that Dikeh is using juju on you. My prince. Yes.
Why did you hit me?
Yeah, because I want that juju to clear. See, let me
come. Let me tell you something. Come. Don't ever in your life lay your hands on me again. Yes.
You slapped me because of that fool, that fighter.
Let's just leave this. I want you to follow me to her house. I want to talk to her. Please.
Never over my dead.
Kima, you call yourself my friend. Yet you cannot help me and do this small task. I will do it myself. And I will succeed. Rubbish. Sis, I want you to help me talk to that girl I told you about the other day.
Which girl? The palm wine seller?
Yes, sis.
Bro, don't tell me you're in love already.
Don't ask me a question. Just help me calm her down. For she to listen to me.
Okay. I'm just going to go meet up with her and tell her that my brother said I should calm you down and listen to him. Is that it?
I understand. I love that girl. Yes. I want you to help me talk to her. She's too stubborn. She can't even listen to me.
Now you're talking. Don't worry. Since you love her, I'm going to help you talk to her, woman to woman. And I know she's going to like you. Who would say no to a prince as cute as you? Oh, bro! You know you can always count on me.
Yes.
Tell me anything you want.
Yes. That's why I call you my backbone.
Don't worry. First thing tomorrow, I'll ask for her address and then I'll go meet her. Talk to her on your behalf.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this.
He's in love.
My one has finished now. I was already done with my
shawarma.
Ogogoro. I've told you to stop calling me shawarma. Stop calling me shawarma. It's because you're my customer.
See, let me tell you, we are friends. Prince is my prince. And now mama, don't you know that Prince loves you? And let me tell you, Prince want to marry you. Please, I want you to give Prince a chance. Give me a chance, come back, give me.
Chima, you're very stupid.
I know now.
See, if I'd known this is the reason you stopped me here, I wouldn't have stopped. If not that you are my good customer, you're very stupid. Oh, Inarusu Prince Pimp.
No,
shut up, okay?
I'm just a personal assistant, PA.
You're useless.
Wait. Are you going?
No, I'm taking my bath.
Baby.
Yes, dear.
You can't believe what I heard today.
What is it?
The prince is in love with a local village girl in this village.
Chinagorome, eh? Everybody knows about it.
Ada, my friend.
Which Ada?
The one you know.
A lie. The king, his father will not even allow that to happen. It's not possible, so forget about it. Let's talk about more important things. How are you?
I'm fine, not good. I miss you.
I miss you more.
What are you eating?
I ate before coming out. Mama cooks.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're looking more handsome. Every time you're looking handsome.
Thank you. To this village.
So, when will I come to the house?
I don't know. His Papa said he's traveling very soon, so maybe we plan.
It's time to enjoy my chichi sweet palm wine. Hey! Oyelewe go neri ofo were. Oyele ti e gana nkwo chachi. Odoko neri ofo were, odoko shole ngagaga. Hey! Oyelewe gana nkwo chachi. Oya uneji e gana eri ofo were. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, my brother sent me to you. He said he wants you to give him a listening ear.
Cheru. Your brother the prince.
Oh yes.
So you are a stupid girl that insulted my mother. Are you mad? And you have the nerve to come to this place? Because my mother was in the palace, he gave me the effort to insult my mother. Next time. Really? Is it really? Really walk? Really walk? Disrespectful fool. Because my mother works at the palace, that's why you had the guts to insult my mother. Maybe stop me.
I'm out to the shop, I'm out to the strong like man, yo. Which kind of yo? She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. Now wahala, who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo.
Sis, How did you do?
That's enough. That's enough, bro. You see the kind of insult I received today? I don't want it in my life. That low-class girl had the guts to raise her finger on my face.
You mean
bro,
she slapped you?
I want to have her punished. I want her punished. I can't take this from anybody. Not even father. Father has not slapped me for the very first time. Talk about a low-class girl. If not for your sake, what I would have done to that girl. I want her punished.
Sis, please calm down. I love that girl. I think something is bothering her. And I will find out. Please calm down.
You are the prince of this kingdom. I am telling you that a commoner slapped your sister. And you're telling me you love that girl.
See,
whoa!
You see,
what has come over you?
I will do something about it. Yes, please. Forgive her for my sake.
Listen, bro. You are the prince of this kingdom. That girl is trouble. She's a mad woman. You don't deserve her. How can a mad woman be the queen of... Bro, please, think about it.
I will talk to her, okay? I will find out everything. Just calm down, okay? Please, for my sake. My beautiful sister.
She slapped me! She slapped your sister.
I'll talk to her. Don't worry yourself, okay? Chima, I've tried talking to her, but she's too stubborn. I even sent my sister. She beat my sister up. Can you imagine?
My prince, why do you choose to die for that girl? She doesn't want it.
She's so adorable. She has all the potentials I need in a woman. Do you know that she don't make up? And she's very beautiful. She's a languorous damsel. An epitome of beauty. Paragon of Ifanalo. She's very portable, very significant and pinchomic in nature. Are you not seeing me?
I'm seeing my prince.
Are you not seeing me?
You speak English.
I love her.
See my prince, I tried talking to her yesterday. She don't want to come close to the palace. She don't want anything royal abroad.
Does she have an uncle?
Yes, now. She a madina.
You take me to him. I need to meet him and talk to her to know if he will help me and talk to her.
Sure. My prince.
Chima. So what is happening now? How is your day going?
Isioma, where are you? Bring the collar now. The royal household is in my house.
No, I don't want my friends are welcome. Thank you. I'm here for one family.
I was told by my friend here that you are Chinagorom's uncle.
Exactly.
Oh,
yes.
What am I elected? Ichie, I love her so much. But the problem is, she's too stubborn. She can't even give me a listening ear. So I'm here to know if you can help me talk to her.
My prince, I have heard what you said. I will talk to her. But one thing I must not lie to you. Chinagrom is too stubborn. We know of that, but I will try my best.
Yes, you need to try for me.
Sure, I will.
I appreciate it. No. I can now take cola.
Prince, everybody in this village knows that girl. Even her uncle.
Chima, I don't care. Yes, I don't care.
My prince, don't forget that you made me your personal assistant, PA. That girl has a very good character.
Chima, as I told you before, I don't care.
Now, my prince, there are many good girls in this village. So why do you want to die in this girl matter? Not even international drink seller like Coke, Fanta, exotic, ever. You just palm wine, local. Prince, look at you. Mama. Rechael nipples.
If not that you're my friend, I would have locked you up. Yes.
Please.
I don't want to talk about this again. My chi or nobody. Okay?
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. No double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble if you find that trouble. Now wahala. Who ready to find her? She go find you come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet.
I don't want it. In actually, I'm here for a very important issue. Yes.
I have to go inside though.
Bam. I don't want it. Bia.
I thought you said you wanted to discuss something with my mother.
Don't worry. I came here.
You want Pammy? I can supply you 100 kegs of it.
I came here for a serious issue, and it's all about our daughter, the prince. Like your daughter.
Yes, I know. But you know this kind.
Yeah. And not only that, you like her. You want to marry your daughter.
I know the prince wants to marry my daughter, but
there is no but. There is no but. Just consider.
Uncle, see, I'll be very, very truthful with you. There's absolutely nothing to consider here. I don't want to marry the prince. I'm not in love with him. Oh wow.
My daughter, marrying the prince will be a blessing to this family.
Uncle, I know, but you don't just have to be selfish. It's not about the blessing it's going to bring to this family. Think about my happiness too. Think about my safety. I might go to the palace now and they want to treat me like a child of commoner. I won't take it to engage with what your man is. I'll blast everybody's head there. So I'd rather stay on my own. I do not want to marry royalty. Or the call them
Prince is not the way you think about him.
I'm going to blast someone's hair in that palace.
Let's consider giving the prince a chance to come into this family, please. To be our organ.
Okay. I'll try and take it.
Talk to her any way you can talk to her for her to understand, to know the importance of we having Prince as our in-law. That's very important to you. Let me come.
My friends,
Nine. Go and talk to her.
Are you serious?
Go and talk to her.
I'll go and talk to her. 9. I want to make her my queen.
I beg to take my leave. Hey! So please use this as cooler.
All this for me?
Yes.
Yay!
All right, 9. Greet your father, the king.
The prince.
The royalty I visit here. And about ego. Nearly ego can do you. Never Naya. Hey. Ego Cabao. Money has filled my pockets.
Baba, the prince is here.
It's about everything.
Baba, why are you like this? Can't you talk to him? Can't you talk to him for me? Am I not beautiful? So what is this he saw in Chinagam that he didn't see in me?
Never Naya become. I
don't like you. You should have talked to him to look. Am I not implying it to? Am I not implying it?
Never know in car because you be marriage near Coco Snake. Oh, you made you mad.
The shine has gone off you. Emeka has sucked you like an orange. You're not even supposed to be called a
lucky apple.
Crayfish in me.
I can never accept you.
I'm not
jealousy.
I don't need you anymore. Come on, go over here. If you had accepted me, by now you would have been a very...
Who are you? Do you have anything?
I am me.
You do not have anything.
Crayfish in me.
If you talk rubbish, I will beat you. I will beat you if you talk nonsense.
I'm not got into that. I can If I talk, you talk. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Emeka has left you and you are just there. Look at your color is no longer there. You are a disgrace to womanhood. You don't have Emeka. You don't have anybody. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, look at her. Make a sentence with a failure. You don't have it anymore.
I will not give you.
The meat has left you.
Look
at the bone without marrow talking to me. Hey, gas cutter. Look at this useless thing. I wanted to help her and make her have a feel of what a real man is. And she was busy lazying about with Emeka. I don't even know what Emeka gave to her. Idiot. I don't even know how she got the strength she used to fight. She must be a mermaid.
I'm not here for jokes. See, I don't think you are doing your job.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
The prince came to our house yesterday and he did as if he don't know me.
Do you know what I'm doing? Don't you know that Prince is a very stubborn guy? You don't understand me now.
Anyways, I've been going around the village telling my friends that I will be the new queen.
Lolo, let me tell you, that queen, you are the queen of this village. See, let me tell you, the only problem I have is this girl called Uzodema. I don't like Madine Tidimajanakale. Let me tell you, Uzodema is the problem now. Do you know that Uzodema is fronting herself so that Prince will notice her?
Uzodema?
Yes.
I don't. Which of the Uzodema are you talking about?
Uzodema, that one that have that normal height, that have breasts. You know, I tell you, you should work on your Allah. You know, Nigeria, we don't joke with breast, Allah. Everybody understand, but you work on your Allah. For Ike, you are trying now, you should add your axe. And you know the problem I have now? That Uzodema is fair. And you know, Prince came back from Obodo. And over there, they don't joke with white people. So we don't have any option that again where we milk now or you use cream, bleaching cream, or a dinoco. So you need to be, you know.
Like I told you, I'm not here for jokes. Uzodema is...
Can you calm down? Let me tell you what
I
want to
I'll
tell
see you later.
It's not see you later because you need to go and work on yourself. Starting from your breast, your waist, our Prince don't joke with. I know what to do. I am your Ikegi. I am add more money.
Is it not the chef you brought in the palace? Telling me that I need to learn how to cook for myself in this palace? Dad!
What do you mean by that?
The same woman you're calling a chef is the woman that have been training you since your mommy's demise. You must have to accord her some respect.
I don't understand, Dad. Do you expect me, a princess, royalty, to go into the kitchen and make food for myself when we have palace maid and a chef?
Then why didn't you call the maidens to fix your food for you, instead of waiting for a woman old enough to be your mother to cook before you eat?
Are you trying to say that what I did was wrong?
No, my princess. What I'm trying to say is, I will caution her. I'll talk to her. God!
Finance.
Go and bring the chef here immediately.
Chi special palm wine is here. Chi special fresh palm wine is here. Oya gana unkwata chi. Oya unewe gana unkwata chi. Odoko doko neri ofo were odoko shole agaga.
Chi special.
Special. You know say you're my good customer. That's why I like you. Sweet palm wine, sweet palm wine. Sweet palm wine, fresh palm wine. Fresh palm wine, executive palm wine. Fresh.
That one is much. I want small, yeah, small.
Okay.
Small, I just want to have a taste.
This is half cup, oh.
I will pay, don't worry.
Okay. Chichi sweet palm wine.
This is lovely.
Thank you.
Actually, I came to see you. Can we talk in the car?
Okay.
Alright.
Customers, I want to go and talk to the prince. I would have left this my remaining drink here. In my head, let's go no money. It's just this one.
Alright.
But I don't trust you. If man and money and I thought differently, you might just drink it like that. So I have to go with you.
Special.
Hey, you have paid me, okay?
I've never seen a prince so down to earth and so humble like our prince.
But how can he be drinking in public?
In Yarapoku, who doesn't drink in public? Everybody can drink in public. I love his personality.
As for me, I can't descend so low to that.
Who will make you a prince in this land?
Shut up.
Go.
I don't know how to talk much, but that day you came to my house, I fell in love with you.
See, my name is Chinagorom, aka Chichi Sweet Palm Wine.
I know.
You are a good man, no? You've been patronizing my business. It's not like I don't like you, but what I do not like in my life is intimidation. I don't want anyone that will disrespect me or treat me like a piece of trash. Biko.
See, my name is Prince Ejike. I'm not here to deceive you. Please try and understand me.
I'll have to give it a thought because I have my market. I have to go and sell. I thought you wanted me to supply many kegs of palm wine. I didn't know Noije love. So
yes, let me allow you to go back to your business, which I know very soon we will stop.
Okay, I can go now.
Yes, take.
What for?
For the wine I drank.
Your wine is just 15 naira now.
I decided to pay more than 50. I'm paying. Yes.
You want to bribe me to love you?
No, I'm not bribing you. I'm only paying for your product.
if you want to give me from your heart, I will take it too. But if it's because of love, hold your money. Oh. I don't want tomorrow now you say, she has finished eating my money now. She didn't want to agree.
No. I'm not that kind of person. Okay?
May God reward you.
Alright.
Thank you so much, my prince.
What's happening here? Why they smile?
Finally, the eagle has landed. Shina Gorom has accepted me.
Eh?
Yes.
Wait. My prince, she didn't beat you up. Obagegbe.
Chima, I'm here to tell you that you will be my best man.
Oh, my dear Nalo. Can you back all of mom?
I am going.
My prince.
Enemies. So, after everything, you have the effrontery to go and meet the prince, right? After me telling you that I'm in love with the prince. Okay, what are you talking about? What are you saying? Are you mad? Oh! Hey! You will beat her! Care for me! You beat my sister! You beat my sister! You beat your sister! Thank you!
Wait, are you laughing at me? What disrespect is this, eh? No, I don't blame you. Yes, continue, Nachi. Laugh. I don't blame you. I blame your parents for not training you. Yes, for not giving you a good training. Oh, no wonder. No, they say no. As no Zode Magambolibo. Nobody can pass that your way again. No man has come for a hand in marriage, and they will never come. No, nobody's laughing at me. Okay, Timbo, I don't blame her.
See, I don't like what just happened there. I don't like what you did there. Why are you laughing at him like that? Why? See, I don't like it.
Is that why you happy? Are you counting him among the living? Is he or she? Please, I beg, forget about him, I beg. Just forget him.
My dear, it's high time you realize that no matter the condition a man is, that man is important. Every man is important in his life. I am telling you, mark this thing. I am telling you.
Was that why you stopped me? See, Pico, if this is what you want to discuss with me, let's continue. Don't try it next time. It's not your business now. Let's go. Let's go.
My prince, you're a very good man. You're very humble. I admire your humble nature. Very selfless. Man. See, I'll be very truthful with you, my prince. Your type is very rare. Ezoku.
Thank you. But why are you like this? Even to the extent of beating my sister.
Hapkwada side though. See, forget it. Your sister got on my nerves. See, I'm this type of person. I love peace. If you give me peace, I will give you peace. Do you understand me? She really got on my nerves. That's why I did that to her.
So, who gave you a gun?
Well, if you must know, I inherited it from my late father.
I see. That other day, were you actually going to shoot me?
I know you were very scared. I didn't want to shoot you. I just wanted to scare you away. That's it. Meanwhile, let's forget about the past. Let's talk about now.
Okay.
Tell me, my prince, how are you doing?
I am cool, and you speak fine. How come?
I'm an OND graduate. It's just that I didn't see money to further my education. But I'm still very optimistic. Any moment. I can get money any moment and finish my school. Do you understand?
That's lovely. Alright then. I will take you to my father soon. So we can do everything that is required.
Okay, no problem.
That's my goal.
Father, I'm still doing This is good news. And who is she?
Her name is Shina.
What? Chinagoro. That's Rechael girl? That girl that had the guts to slap me! You will not marry her. Never!
Did I hear you say that someone beat my princess?
Yes, Dad.
Guards! Quiet!
Sorry, Father. It has not gotten. She has apologized.
She must be punished.
Punish me instead, Father. After all, I'm the one that sent her to.
I do not care. You're not going to marry her.
You will not marry her. You are my son, and I know you very well.
Father, please, let me introduce her to you first. I'm sure you will like her.
Why will she raise her hand on my princess?
Father, it was a mistake. Please, forgive her for my sake.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know what is happening. My head is aching, my body is paining me and I'm feeling cold.
Have you taken anything? Why not take permission from the king and go home and take good care of yourself?
I will do that.
Please, if anything happens to you, I from the Pampa, Biko, I beg. Sorry, yeah? Mele. Sorry.
You will come and meet me in this house. This is too much for one person. Mama. Okay. What did you do? What did I do here? You pick up the princess. Eh? Yes, Mama, I did. Why? Because she insulted my mother. I cannot be alive and watch some young girl insult my mother all in the name of royalty. I'm a It
was me she insulted and not you.
But you're my mother.
Do you know that this is your singular act now? Do you know what has caused in the palace? Everywhere is on fire. All because of you.
They will still calm down.
Mama, you just put me into trouble.
It was not deliberate. I just needed to warn her. I just needed to teach her a lesson so she would understand that the person she's disrespecting is someone's mother. Because I can't insult her mother, I cannot insult her father.
I know what is making you feel this way. What is blocking you is because you think you want to marry the prince. You will not marry the prince. Try me and see.
Mama, the last time I checked, it's me the prince wants to get married. It's my decision to decide the man I'll follow to the altar and say, oh baby, I love you, I do. So it's not your decision. And this will not make me to stop fighting for you. When you open up this no problem. Just let's watch and see how this one plays out. Hey, Whitey. This girl has finished me. Why would this girl do this to me? It was me that insulted and not you.
rubbish? What nonsense?
Brother, what is it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's not Uzo Dilma or Kogin Kana. Look at me. After selling my store, I decided to rest. This girl for no reason started laughing at me. I was like so disrespectful, laughing at me. She almost called me spit.
What's wrong with that girl?
No, I don't blame her. Oh, because I'm in this village now. I don't condemn. It makes I don't condemn.
Okay, calm down. Well, let me tell you something. In any condition you find yourself, give thanks. Be grateful to God. Everything will be fine. I believe everything will be fine.
Everything should be fine.
Just calm down.
God should see me through, Biko. What is it? I'm not happy, Biko.
What happened?
Why did you and your sister beat her down up?
Do you know what she did?
And what did she do?
That girl insulted my sister and even slapped her. That was why I gave her the beating of her life.
Oh, because of your sister insulted somebody and you joined in beating her up. Okay, now let my sister go and beat your sister up.
Wait, oh. She insulted you again?
It's a bad rock. That is okay. It's okay. Let's go inside. I prepared something delicious for you.
I don't blame anybody.
Let's go. Don't
blame
worry,
anybody.
everything will be fine.
What did you cook?
I prepared something nice. Come on, let's.
Why can't you act matured? Hey, what happened? What did I do? Okay, you're trying to tell me I don't know that you insulted Emeka. So you are shouting at me because of ordinary Emeka. That is it. Wait, next time I will insult you. I will insult you. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, just do that. What is going on here? Mama, see your daughter. Why are you making my daughter? Mama, it's not good of Mama. She keeps insulting everyone she sees on the road. Mama, caution her. Caution her because next time I will not be riding with her. Hey, you know your other sister. What is going on here? Mama, don't worry. What happened? Ekwemiri insulting me because of ordinary. Ordinary what? It's love now. Love? What are you talking about? Which love? Mama, don't worry. I should not worry. You mean I should clear it? I should not worry.
I called you both because of what happened today. They are the only daughters I have. I don't want two people to be quarreling because of a man. Eh? You see this thing that happened, let it not repeat itself next time. You cannot go about and be quarreling because of a man. Eh?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I will not do it next time.
And you, Zodemma. You don't go about in this village quarreling or insulting the young men in this village. Yeah? You know one day you'll be under them. Eh?
Okay, Mama. It will not happen again. I promise.
You are telling me better. Yeah? Anyway, you know I love both of you so much. You know you're my daughters, eh? I love you people so much. I don't want people to be quarreling because of a man.
Love it too. Even you. I love you, Biko.
Alright, it's okay.
Thank you.
Understand me. And what come? My friend, remove your hand from here. Listen to me. Amarachuku. You are a very beautiful girl and there is no disputing that. But I am not the right man for you. Yes. You can eventually go and get any man for yourself. There are many good men in this our village. I don't love you. I am concentrating on something more important to me. Please don't disturb me again concerning this issue. What's this guy feeling like? Eh? When you're not laugh for what? Because I love you.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She is going away. Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this?
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
She's running away.
Oh my God. Wow. I never knew you were this beautiful.
Thank you, my prince.
Mama, where are you headed?
I want to go to the palace, Biko. Allow me to go to the palace.
Mama, I can't allow you. You know fully well you're not strong enough to walk. Ichi boom.
My daughter, just allow me.
No, Mama, please.
Even maybe everything will go wrong.
Nothing will go wrong. Your health before anything. Please go inside and rest. Biko, they will understand. You're not too strong. You've been going to work every day.